Youth is the property of the country. What is the question of the critically acclaimed India producers? The young people they attended. It is difficult to get government jobs, so young people are working in private companies to step into urban areas, and young people retired from the age 25 to 40 years of age. Youths have been honest, and private companies have been able to retire from the morning till evening removed from the companies. Private companies often employ young people who work when they come to the companies in search of jobs. Private companies retire so that they can affect the physical and mental health of youth people. What should happen to the parents and family who believed in them? What is the prospect of young people looking for their future dreams? Private companies only apply to the post of PUC after the PUC in the state government, also 2 or 3 years. What is the future of young people in government sector? As it is the private and government, the young people are awake the question about the injustice they have to get their answer to their problems. Young people, wake up.